Welcome to the Samuel Jackman Prescott Institute of Technology, Automotive and Welding Division. My name is Gregory Brewster. I'm the head of that division. I just want to welcome you, first of all, to the institution. I'll just say a few words to you as you endeavor on your new course, new path, and new direction in life at the institution. First, I would like you to set yourself some goals as you enter the institution. Those goals based on your career choice or your career path. And I want you to set those goals and set goals that are attainable for the next year, 2 years, and 3 years, depending on your course of study. I hope that you would come to us with a good attitude that would help you in good stead as you enter the institution and move onto a path of a new directed path in whichever subject or area that you're entering the institution. So a good attitude, a positive attitude, is very important for you to have coming into the institution. Thirdly, I would like you to have a good work ethic in that you come expecting to work hard, and hard work will see you being successful at the end of the day. I would like you to be motivated, come ready to work from day one, and carry that attitude right through your time at the institution. And I believe that with that motivation and will get you through most of what you are doing here at the institution. I also want you to have an open mind, willing to learn from others, willing to learn from your peers, willing to get along, and willing to do whatever it takes to work hard and achieve those goals that you've set. I also would like you to consider managing your time wisely, setting aside some time to do your coursework, your homework, set aside some time to do some extra studying and researching some of the topics that might be strange to you. But in all, I want you to have a good experience at the institution, make new friends, get involved in other curricular activities, maybe football, cricket, whatever. But I want you to have a good experience at the institution, and that will be the most important thing that would help you through your life experiences at the institution. So once again, I want to say welcome, and I want you to feel free to come to me, talk to me, interact with your instructors as time go on. So, see you in a couple of weeks. Thank you.